What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Be Chopping, and I'm back with another video. So check it out, guys. We just got a package from my guys over there at Gamma. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what it is. Let's go. Turn this music down so I don't get flagged. All right, so let's open this box. Let's see what it is. Try to open it. Yeah, we can open it like that. We'll open up this right here. All right. Turn it around. Do it over here. All right. All right. We took the whole thing off. We didn't even need to cut it. So let's see what we got in this box. I'm excited. All right, throw that. We don't need that. Ooh, we got a package for sure. Look, y'all check it out. I appreciate you, Gamma, for this care package. Y'all check what's in there. We got some stuff. All right, look, we're gonna start with the stuff that's on top first. We got the new slick foil from Gamma. I'm gonna have to give this a run. I heard some good things about it, so we're gonna try this out. What else we got? We got a replacement black diamond, the slim deep blade. You know what I'm saying? That's the one that goes, it's the moving blade. So it's different than the original moving blade that comes on the ergos and the X-ergos. So we might have to put this one to use also. Man, I'm excited, let's go. All right, let's see what else we got. We got another slick foil, let's go. Woo, ooh, ooh. We got the Stylecraft Absolute Zero Shaver. Let's go, man, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. We got the new Stylecraft Heat Stroke. You know, it's to comb out the beard, make it nice and straight, you know what I'm saying? So we got this Heat Stroke, appreciate that. Man, okay, hey, they looking out. All right, look, they even hooked your boy up with the Stylecraft Bushwhacker. So, we're gonna have to do a review on this. Nah, but hey, straight up, man, like, that's tight. Like, I appreciate that. All right, let's see what else we got here. We also got, ooh, okay. We got the Gamma Plus Power Ryde, okay? Professional clipper with magnetic motor. It's a corded clipper, you know what I'm saying? Let's put that to the side. Man, I ain't had a corded clipper in a while, but I'm excited to try that. And then we also got the wireless Prodigy. Man, we got some stuff to unbox, to use. Man, I'm excited, I'm ready to go. What else we got here? Let's see what else. Oh, and we did get another USB cord. I know you're thinking like, why is it packaged like that? But I think that, I'm not exactly sure, but I know they did message me and tell me that the magnets are better on this cord. So I am gonna try it out and let y'all know if this magnet is better on this cord than the previous cord. But yeah, guys, that's what we got in this box, you know what I'm saying? So we got a good care package from Gamma and Stylecraft. I appreciate that. We're gonna be putting some of this stuff to use. We're gonna be doing unboxing and reviews and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, let's just keep moving, keep it pushing. I don't even know what I'm gonna be actually unboxing in this video. I don't know if it's gonna be one clipper. You know, I just wanted to see what the care package was, but we got a care package. So even though I said it was an unboxing, I guess technically it was an unboxing of the care package. And we got some good stuff, man. So let's just run it back one more time. You know, we got the Gamma Plus shaver. We got the Gamma Plus Power Ryde. We got the Stylecraft Bushwhacker. This is, you know, for some manscaping. The Stylecraft Heat Stroke. I'm really excited about this one. We got the Stylecraft Absolute Zero Shaver. We're gonna have to put this to use too. Man, hey, I appreciate all this stuff. We got two slick foils. We got two of them bad boys. You know, one Stylecraft, one Gamma. And then we also got the black diamond replacement slim deep tooth blade. So yeah, we're gonna put this stuff to use and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's go. I'm gonna put these to use. It's been a minute since I've cut with a corded clipper. We're gonna try them out. We're gonna see what they do. Let's go. I probably ain't gonna use these guards though. We'll see. Let's go. Hey, you know what? I bet you'll like these. I bet you will.
Fun. Can I touch them?
They feel good. They feel like the old seniors.
They feel like legends.
Maybe legends, yeah.
They feel like legends. I want legends. I heard they were gonna drop.
They're dropping a cordless version here soon.
Yeah.
Still the taper?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot how quiet corded clippers are. These cards fit. Yup. All right, let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one? Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright, so I just did a haircut with these things. They different, you know what I'm saying? I ain't used a corded clipper in a good minute. They ain't feel too bad though. I still know how to get down, you know what I'm saying? For what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not big on corded clippers. Like, the way I see it is it's 2021. Like, all my stuff's wireless, but for what it is, it's a good corded clipper. Like, I felt the power. It cut through the hair good. You know, the guards that, you know, the Gamma dub guards fit on it, so you know that's a plus. So I'm sure the wall guards fit on there also. So you know it's a pretty good clipper. You know, I liked it. I didn't even check if it was zero gap. It is gap pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's gap pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It is a little thick and girthy in this area, but other than that, hey, I ain't got no complaints with it. But it's just, you know, the corded clippers aren't for me. You know what I'm saying? They just ain't my forte. But my boy Ray right here, he rocks with corded clippers, so what I'm gonna do is, these not yours, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, my boys got them.
With a ring pop. Hey, bro. Shout out Tank Beach Chopper.
Yes.
Y'all give my boy a like and a follow. And a subscription.
There you go.
And comment on every post.
There you go.
Because it's nothing but heat.
Let's get it. But yeah, Gamma, straight up, like, I appreciate Gamma for sending me this stuff, and I know my boy Ray's gonna like that clipper, because like I said, he rocks with the cordless senior the corded senior right now, but we're gonna see if we can convert him to use some Gamma products, you know what I'm saying? So he gonna put that one to use, and then I guess we'll have to talk to him later on and see what he thinks about it. But as for me, hey, it worked good, I liked it. It's just, you know, corded clippers ain't for me, that's just not my thing, but he's gonna rock with it. Hey, it fits the wall guard, so you be good. But yeah, man, that's what we do. And also, you know, I got this shaver right here, the Stylecraft shaver, the OG shaver. You know what I'm saying? And I put this new slick foil on it. And what I'm gonna do is I got a lot of shavers. So hey, E, here you go, bro. This is you right here. Oh. So we spreading the love, Gamma. Everyone in the shop's gonna have some Gamma stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's a little shaver, you know what I'm saying? You can put it to use, you know. Hey, the foil head is a little different, so it cuts hair like that's longer. So you don't even have to do a trimmer on it. You can do like the clipper closed, and it'll get down that hair pretty good. But yeah, I use that, you know what I'm saying, today also. Yes, sir. What else did I use? I use this heat stroke on one person today, you know what I'm saying? It worked good, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to, I don't wanna say too much about it yet, because I do wanna record myself using it a little more and give a more review on this thing. But the other stuff I got, I ain't really even took it out the box yet, you know what I'm saying? I think I have another shaver in there. I don't even remember what else it came with. Oh, the bushwhackers in there, you know, I'm gonna have to take that home. And but that's it, man. I don't know what else is in there. We got a few, I think we have like a moving blade in there. Yeah, so we got a moving blade that still needs to be, I'm probably gonna put it on either my Ergos or maybe my Stylecraft Mythics. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna throw it on something. And yeah, man, like, I appreciate it, Gamma. Like, if y'all like any of these tools that I'll be using as Gamma or Stylecraft, y'all can head over straight to their website and you can use my code TANK10. Save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, guys, that's basically it for this video. I really didn't know where I was going with this video, but I think I got some good product for y'all, some good content. So y'all make sure to like this video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure to subscribe one time for your boy, you know, all that good stuff, guys. I appreciate y'all, YouTube. Until next time, let's go.